Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a really effective air purifier. It's by Webetop, and it's a true HEPA air purifier with ionized light. So this is the Webetop air filter. This would be a great product for anyone with allergies or numerous numbers of pets or anyone concerned with keeping air purified for their children. I'll tell you about the overall product and its features and then go over one by one and give you a better look at the device. Now this device is a 5-stage filtration including a true HEPA filter, comes with an extra one right here, a UV sanitizer, and odor reduction. Now this has 4 fan speeds, which we'll go over a little bit later, a timer with 4 levels, sleep mode, and its very own controller to help easily use this device. This air purifier purifies the surrounding air in a large space that goes up to about 480 square feet. Now, as you can see, this is a medium-sized unit, and it's about 18 inches tall. It's not too big, it's not clunky. There is a 5-stage filtration system with this device. Now, it has a 3-in-1 filter, which you have an extra one right here. Very handy, great for when you need to change it, which is a HEPA filter and an activated carbon air filter as well, plus the UV sanitizer and negative ion, which removes about 99.99% of dust, allergens, germs, and bacteria. So this machine removes mold, odors, smoke, pollen, and pet dander. I find this device great because I'm allergic to dogs, and guess how many dogs we have? 2. So this would definitely help me out a lot. It comes, like I said, with 2 filters. One is already inside, we've already installed that. And I'm going to show you how to change the filter and the devices on the top. So this device comes with 2 filters, like I mentioned earlier. One was already inside, you just have to remove the plastic and install it yourself. And so I'm going to show you how to change the filter. So what you do is you press the sides, the front comes off, and there's the filter. It's right there, as you can see, and you take this out, and then you would replace it. Very simple, very easy to do, not convoluted, not a whole bunch of steps, and then you put it back in, or your new one at least, and then put the front back on. So this filter should be changed approximately every 6 months, so you won't need to purchase another filter for about another year. So I'm going to put this on the ground to show you how the buttons work on the top and how it works in general. So here's a quick look at the remote. It has the power button, which will turn it right on. You have the timer and the ionizer. And you also have the automatic button, which will help you if you want to put something on and eventually it'll go off. The same thing with the timer. The timer would be very useful, especially if you're at night, you don't want to leave the thing running. So this air purifier comes with a user manual as well, so if you need help in any way using this air purifier, you'll be able to understand and be able to use it proficiently. So here's a better look at the top. The air purifier detects air quality and automatically adjusts the airflow. The LED will show the air quality directly. So when I turn this on, which this is the on-off button, you will notice that there is a blue ring. Now, if you get green, that means the filter is in okay condition. It should be changed in the future. And if you see a red ring, that means it's bad. You need to change it immediately. Blue means good, and that is what is important. So, on the top, you see that there are 4 buttons. The first one is on and off, which I'll just turn the device off. The second is your timer. It ranges from 1 hour to 8 hours. And then you have the fan speed. You got low, medium, high, and sleep. Sleep is if you want to use this while at night, or if you have a baby and you want that to be in the baby's room, that'd be a great one. And then you have the ionizer there as well. So let me turn this on and I'll show you. Just turn the ionizer off. There it is on again. And now, so now it's on low, medium, high, and sleep. Now, as you can tell, the lights go off in sleep mode, but it is still running. It is very quiet, and it's only 20 dBs. It can be activated by remote as well. This is a great one for sleeping. You can barely hear it. I can't even hear it, and I'm standing right next to it. So this air purifier is going to be great for anyone with a lot of pets, bad allergies, seasonal allergies specifically, or you have all of that type of combination, or even a newborn and you want to give them some nice, clean, purified air. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please check the description section below to find out more about this product. Please subscribe, like, and keep your comments coming on this channel. Thank you very much for watching.